No, you can stay.
Where's Austin? Did you get Austin? Oh, this is going to end in tears.
You have to stop
End in
with
tears. It's going to end in tears. Oh, it's going to end in tears. It's going to end in tears. What are you doing? Have you got him? Did you get him? Who's that? Oh, goodness. He's like a torpedo. What are you doing there?
What are you up to?
Like, we got bored of it yet? Austin, why don't you just run away? Austin. Oh,
Austin, just succumb to it. No, you're not going to eat me. You have to eat Luke. Oh, sorry. Okay.
he's going to be a vet.
Yeah, sticking his fingers where it doesn't belong, that's you.
Excuse me, what was and a burp as well? Is that your cat?
Yeah.